do you think if I tell that I will introduce you today to a way where you can create your own website without any cost and without having any experience in web development? Seems crazy, right? Actually, it's not just one website, 3, all for free. I made this website myself, for free, even though I have no experience in website design. And each one of you can make a similar one after watching this video. I created this website to add articles that I use for affiliate marketing of products. Stay with me step by step in the video, and I'm confident that in the next 5 minutes, you'll have your own website that you can use for whatever purpose you need. And for those who want to develop a business, you can definitely benefit by creating and selling these websites for thousands of dollars. Let's get started with the practical explanation, and a small request for those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please support me and subscribe. Website we're talking about today is called infinityfree.com. It's a platform that allows you to create your own websites without having any prior experience. And the best part is, they offer a free option where you can get up to 3 free websites. The first thing we need to do is sign up on the site using our email and then activate the registration to reach the screen you see in front of you. As we mentioned earlier, we have the option to create 3 free websites. To start creating a website, I click on Create Account, select the free plan, and click on Create Now. If you have a specific domain name you want to use, you can add it in the custom domain field. But today, we're going to go with all the free features, so we'll stick to the domain type subdomain. Then, I choose a name for my website along with an extension. The options here are limited by the website, but I recommend choosing something short like .greatsite.net. Then click on Check Availability to make sure the domain isn't already taken by someone else. In the next step, I check the password for my account. If I want, I can change it or leave it as it is, and choose whether I want to receive site update notifications before clicking on Create Account. And with that, I now have my own website. I can start customizing it. Generally, it takes a bit of time for the website to be ready. As you can see, the screen is still loading. It takes around 20 minutes at most before you can start working on it. Once it's ready, the status here will change to active. Now we can move to the website customization stage and see how we can edit it and add content. We click on the Softaculous installer to start downloading the main platform we'll be working on, which most of you already know, Wordpress. It will appear at the top of the results. Click on and proceed with the installation, setting up our username and password, and saving them because they'll allow us to access the backend of the website, from where we control everything related to the website's front end. Now, if you look, you'll see 2 links, one for the front end and one for the back end. We click on the back end link, enter the username and password, and the interface we'll be working on will open up. The first thing we need to do is choose a design for the website. There are thousands of ready-to-use free designs that you can take advantage of. On the left side of the screen, click on Appearance and then Themes. And at the top of the screen, click on Add New Theme and search for a design that suits the content you want to publish. You'll see how many great designs there are, and all of them are free. We're going to choose this design, which is suitable for several things, including news, download it, and activate it on our website by clicking Install and then Activate. To see the changes made to the website, click at the top of the screen on My Blog and then Visit Site. And here's our site, ready and complete. Of course, you'll need to choose a logo and make some adjustments. You want, we can dive into those details. Just leave me a comment and we'll make a detailed video. Going back to the back end, to add a post, click on Posts and then Add New Post. And this screen will open up for you to start setting the title and content and publish it by clicking on Publish. Honestly, this website can transform your work. Whether you need a website and don't know how to build one, or if you want to start freelancing and don't know where to begin, this is a key for you to get started. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll definitely respond. And a reminder to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video.